Need a repair? We offer a free diagnostic. We pick up and deliver right to your door, no calls, no hassle. We send you an estimate before fixing anything, and only proceed if you approve it. Convenient, transparent, and professional. Link in bio/description. Welcome to our comprehensive guide on reprogramming the BIOS for the MSI Raider GE78. Today, we'll take you through each step to ensure you can perform this operation with confidence. Let's get started. First, gather your tools. You will need a Phillips screwdriver, an anti-static wrist strap, and a USB flash drive that is at least 8 GB in size. Make sure your laptop is turned off and unplugged. This is crucial for your safety as well as to protect the internal components. Now, let's open the laptop. Begin by flipping it over and removing the screws on the back panel. Remember to keep track of each screw, as they can vary in size. If you're unsure about doing this yourself, keep in mind that we offer professional diagnosis without obligation, so you can explore your options without any pressure. Once the screws are removed, gently pry open the back panel using a plastic opening tool. Be cautious not to damage any clips. Inside, you'll notice several components, including the battery, RAM, and the storage drive. Before proceeding, it's wise to clean the internal area with compressed air to remove any dust or debris that could affect performance. Next, locate the BIOS chip on the motherboard. It's usually near the CPU. If you're unfamiliar with this process, we recommend our pickup and delivery at your home service to make things easier for you. This way, no calls or travel are necessary, and you can receive expert assistance right at your doorstep. Now, let's prepare the USB flash drive. Download the latest BIOS update from the MSI website. Once downloaded, use a tool like Rufus to create a bootable USB drive. Follow the instructions provided on the screen, ensuring that you select the correct USB drive to avoid data loss. If you need help with this step, remember, we can provide a quote before repair for any service you require. After creating the bootable USB, insert it into the laptop and power it on. Immediately press the designated key to enter the BIOS setup, usually the Delete or F2 key. Navigate to the boot menu and select the USB drive as the primary boot device. Save the changes and exit the BIOS. Your laptop will now boot from the USB drive, initiating the BIOS update process. Follow the on-screen instructions carefully. This step is critical, as an incorrect update can lead to further issues. Once complete, the system will reboot automatically. After the reboot, enter the BIOS again to reset any customized settings or to adjust the boot order back to the primary hard drive. This ensures your laptop runs smoothly with the new BIOS version. Finally, replace the back panel and secure it with the screws, making sure everything is tightly fastened. Your MSI Raider GE78 should now be reprogrammed and ready to go. If you encounter any problems or feel uncertain at any point, don't hesitate to reach out for our professional services. We're here to help you every step of the way, ensuring you have a seamless experience. By following this guide, you've successfully reprogrammed the BIOS on your MSI Raider GE78, enhancing its performance and reliability. Need a repair? We offer a free diagnostic. We pick up and deliver right to your door, no calls, no hassle. We send you an estimate before fixing anything, and only proceed if you approve it. Convenient, transparent, and professional. Link in bio/description.